You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is a equals 18/5. Let's solve it step by step. Group all a terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 1/6a from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the a. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 6/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is a equals 18/5.